Very good morning, students. Myself, Neha Kalra from WE1. Again, we are here to discuss the topic Do One Good Turn Every Day. When his father was busy reading the daily newspaper, he quietly entered his room and said, Dad, the wooden board you gave me along with some nails the other day is now full with nails and there is no space left for me to put nails into it in future. What shall I do? The father looked at his son through his reading glasses resting on his nose and said, Well, in that case, you can take out one nail from the board whenever you do something good to others or there is a good report about you from your school. Now, Ankit, he was given a wooden box with some nails and he was asked to drive a nail into the wooden box whenever there is a complaint against him. But as he was a naughty and mischievous child, his board got full very quickly in a few days. And when his father was busy reading the daily newspaper, he was sitting in his study quietly. Ankit went to him and said, Dad, the wooden box you gave me that day is now full with nails. What shall I do further now? And father, he was sitting and he was very surprised to hear that. My son, in that case, you can take out one nail from the board. But for this, you need to do something good to others, or if there is a good good report about you from your school. Ankit felt greatly relieved at his father's suggestion. Now he would spend hours thinking what good deeds he could do every day to be able to get the nails out of the board. Now his all focus was on how to clean that board, how to take out all the nails that he has driven into it. His constant attention to his desire of doing at least one good turn every day made him very happy to find one day that all the nails from the board had gone away, leaving the board clean. Now, as he was focused on doing the good deeds, soon the board went clean. All the nails had gone away, leaving the board clean. He rushed to his father to show him the clean board. Showing the board to him, Ankit said, Look, father, the board is clean now. He went to his father, seeing that the board is clean. There are no nails in it. Satyabhushan, feeling very happy at this discovery, said, Yes, Soni, I'm very happy to see your board. Now he calls his son with a nickname. He says, I'm very happy to see the clean board. Now let me see how you can remove the scars left by the nails. Now what does further his father says? Let me see how you clean these scars. You can do that also very easily. But for that you will have to do at least 2 to 3 good turns every day. That means you need to do at least 2 to 3 good deeds every day. Are you prepared for it? He asked his son, Ankit, are you prepared for it? He further says, Yes, Dad, I'm sure I can do it. So here we end with the topic, Do One Good Turn Every Day. We have learned a lesson that we need to be responsible citizen. We need to be good to others. We need not accompany a bad company. We actually need to follow our parents' suggestions. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care.